Yeah, in this unit of electrostatics, I would like to discuss the basic objectives and the unit plan, what we are going to do and how we are going to do. Now, if we look at the objectives, then after we study the entire unit, which will be with the help of several lessons, one who studies this entire unit will be able to understand the concepts related to the property of fundamental particles, which is charge, its interaction and effects. There will be skills to calculate and quantify the force on charged particles, which will be basically through Coulombic force equation, and there will be understanding of motion of charged particle. A lot of skills will be acquired in the analysis of electric field, potential and interaction of different fields. There will be understanding developed between the interdependencies of related quantities. Then electric dipole, its behavior in the electric field, how rotational motion is set into an electric dipole. Then there are a lot of derivations of different formulas of electric field and potentials, and some of those are by the application of Gauss's theorem, which is a very important theorem in electrostatics. Then there are skills of explanation of behavior of certain materials, which are called dielectric materials, and then it will slowly take us towards the understanding of concepts of capacitance and capacitors. Then after that, the last part of the unit will be governed by the understanding of instruments, for example, Van de Graaff generator and other things. Lot of examples based on the instruments and the fields and potentials and the electrostatic force are there, which you can illustrate after studying that topic, and generalization of the concepts, and certainly computational abilities, solving numericals. So all these are the basic objectives of this unit. The basic plan of a study of this unit will be through several lessons, well-crafted lessons, which will have slides, whiteboard explanations from me, then real-time demonstrations, which I use to explain concepts while teaching the topic of electrostatics, and there are few animations which are available to us. Those will also be shown. After every lesson, you can judge your own progress by taking on the multiple choice questions for self-assessment. Then a list of questions and corresponding answers of common doubts will also be included, because I have been teaching for many years, so I know exactly what an average student or maybe a bright student is unable to understand. So some of the common doubts will be answered. Then for further studies, there will be resource, a list of video links or web links, which will help in the concept consolidation on whatever you have studied. And then there will be worksheets, graded worksheets, which will have maybe around 10 or 12 questions, properly graded. That means first few will be of easy level. Then as we go down that list of questions, the difficulty level will increase. So if one takes all these and utilizes the proper way of study of the lessons, a progress can be seen. And if after that even worksheets of tough questions are to be taken, then that can also be requested further.